we set it up, we say we're going from here, Australia, Brisbane, Cairns, to Australia, Brisbane, Control, Darwin.
Yeah.
That's right, do it above there. Perth, second. How shall we get there? Air route Juliet 69. Plan. That is the way we will fly.
Ah, it's flight plan. Nice.
We will go 34,000 feet. The temperature up there is minus 37 Celsius. And the wind is very light, it's minus 5. So 5 knots of headwind. We'll fly at a cost index, which is a balance of fuel to other costs. Nats, are you getting the heat pipe? Or?
No, you'll have to call someone from
Are you in a rush?
No.
Okay, and this is our bit that tells us our company what we are doing. So this is the call sign of the aeroplane.
Yeah.
We are going from here to here. The airline, Qantas Australia.
Yeah.
Our flight number is this.
Ah.
So that's also
And that's it.
We're ready.
Ah.
Everything else is just icing on the cake. It's the same. We have to, if you're not in the Air Force, then or something like that, then we have to teach yourself or pay for teaching. And it's the same as buying BMW sedan. For the same money. But this is faster than BMW.
Okay.
And this is what we do. We've got everything up here is systems. There's a hydraulic control panel there. We have different pumps. We have electrical system. We have the air conditioning.
Yeah.
And
Well, it's a pretty small cockpit, I think.
this cockpit actually, if you see this is 1996. That's very new.
Yeah.
If you look at this is 1955. This is from here forward is the same as the DC cockpit. Compared to other airplanes, these windows are small.
Okay.
Other airplane I flew before, the window was that big.
Oh yeah, sure.
But I also like the fact that it is very strong.
Yeah.
That's good. What else do we have? I can show you other things. If you push this button here,
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
you look behind yourself,
Oh.
you can see Natalie.
Yeah.
So we can see, after September 11 we now have, that door is bulletproof, these are all Kevlar and bulletproof.
Oh.
And for Natalie to come in to give us a cup of coffee, she has to, we have to look, we have to let her in.
See.
Yes.
Oh. Well,
That's very good.
yeah. So, well, yeah, thank you.
No, you're welcome. We are all people who are interested in aeroplanes.
Yeah.
At one stage you have this much experience, and then later you have more experience, but you're still an enthusiast. So
Yeah.
you're very welcome.